Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a hamburger menu in WIX. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you create a hamburger menu here? Well, creating a hamburger menu is very easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your editor here, or your website editor in WIX. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to go to the plus button at the top left of your screen, and you want to go to menu and anchor. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and choose one of the following options here. Now, the thing with this one is it's actually under hamburger menus, which in this case allows you to use one of the following designs. Now, since we are adding a menu or a page or navigation for this one, we want to go ahead and drag it into our editor here. So for example, maybe I want to use this one. Let's go ahead and add it in here and attach it in here. Now, in here, you could go and click on edit menu here and basically editing design for it. Like for example, if you want to change or manage your menu here, which one you want to show or not, you could also change the background color. Click on change design to change a few things like the background color, as you can see right now. Now, you could also change the text for this one. You could go and click on edit text if you want. Now, for example, if you want to delete the whole thing, you can go and just click on it, click on delete or backspace on your keyboard. You can even change the size for this one. And once you're done, you can go and click on the exit mode here. And from here, once we click on preview, it should show us or allow us to click on that hamburger menu and start accessing this page via this way, as you can see right now. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.